Alright, in today's video, I'm going to share with you one secret that you don't know about landing pages. And also, I'm going to tell you how to build a landing page that converts. I'm going to tell you, number one, what makes a landing page perfect. Number two, what makes a landing page very, very fast and converting. And number three, the most important thing you need to take note, or the blocks you need to know before building a landing page. But just for the viewers that don't know what a landing page is about, a landing page is actually a one-page website that talks about a specific thing. For example, if you go to this website I've seen right now on this screen, you're going to see that it's very, very precise. You see the headlines, you see a video, because this is actually a video. I'm actually using a VSL on this particular landing page, and you also see a call to action that tells you to put your name, your email address, and your phone number, and also you see a call to action. So I'm going to show you different kind of landing pages and what makes a landing page very, very responsive. A landing page is actually a one-page website, like I said before. It's actually a one-page website that allows you to sell or say something about a specific product or a service, just to be precise, and also call as a call to action. I'm going to explain to you the blocks that makes a good landing page and everything you need to know before you start creating your landing page. Just like you see right now on my screen, you're going to be able to create a good landing page. I'm going to tell you some software and platform you're going to be able to use to start creating landing pages for your businesses and for your services. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you find this video very, very helpful. Don't forget to also shoot me an email, and because I'm able to help you to create those landing pages. If you want my help, if you want one-on-one consultation on how all of these things work, don't forget to shoot me an email and send me DMs on all my social media networks. Don't see all of this
of your time. I'm just going to explain, like, go straight to the point about landing pages. You can be able to use different softwares to actually create landing page for yourself. Like I said, you can be able to use System.io, you can be able to use GetResponse, MailerLite, Sendinblue. There are a lot of platforms that you can actually use to actually create a landing page for yourself. And the first thing I actually said when I started this video was that I was going to tell you a secret about landing page. Like I was showing you before on that particular website. Let me just put it here again. brightosita.com. I'm going to show you something real quick about landing pages that is very, very nice. You need to understand the first thing is that you need a better headline. You need to create a very, 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 very catchy headline. As you can see here in this particular headline, I said something. I didn't want everybody to like just see my ads or see this particular video I'm actually using to promote this particular offer and then put their email address and just come. They don't have money, or they're just looking for free things on the internet. So what I did was that I make sure that I first of all put a warning on the landing page, which says that warning only for people interested in making a bank for the internet. So first of all, one thing you want to do is that you don't want to attract people that don't have money to your offer, or people that are looking for free information. They're not willing to pay you for it. That's basically pointing to the fact that they don't have money, or people that are very, very complicated. They want every single details, and you give them these details, they want another details, and thereby stressing you because they actually do not really find value in what you are selling. You don't actually want this kind of people in your offer. So you want to like make sure that you're actually reducing the amount of people that's going to click on your link, and also the amount of people that's going to also click and give you their email address or give you the information you actually want from your landing page. This is actually why you need to put like a headline or like a catchy or a phrase to make sure that you're actually scanning people out. So like I said, this is like a warning. Then also the goal of this is to make sure I filter people out. Then this is my headline. This is my headline that talks about the true life story of how this school teacher resigned from his job and started making millions monthly from the product business, even without knowing jack about marketing. This is actually a story about my mentor. My mentor, the owner of a platform called StayCut, he was actually a school teacher back then, like 6-7 years ago. Then he didn't know anything about information marketing products. He didn't know anything about information marketing. He didn't know everything about marketing as a whole. But then down to some years back, he actually changed his life from selling info marketing products, meaning that he started selling ebook courses. He started selling his knowledge basically, and was able to like turn his life around. So he was able to do different things around for himself and also for his family. So this is actually a true life story about him. and he explained the details, the course, actually, the owner of the course. If you actually want to get access to this particular course, I'm going to put the link in the description of this video. You're going to see the link in the description, and also I'm going to put it in the comment section also. So if you actually don't know how to go out, like find it in the description, I'm going to put it in the comment section. It's actually a story about him, whereby he turned his life around with information marketing. So I'm actually promoting the course for him. It's actually my mentor. So basically, this is the headline. This is actually a true life story about him. It's actually something that happened to him, and he's giving us a step-by-step process about how we did all of this. And then the next thing I did on this landing page was to put a VSL. The VSL basically means a video sales letter. Basically, it's actually you actually using a video to sell a product. So this is actually what I did. I put like get this access to this video now. So I told the people that are actually going to see this ad to actually watch this video. So I told them, watch this video before. It's actually on the copy I used in advertising on Facebook and Instagram. So watch this video. Once they watch this video, they can be able to now see what they want, what they are going to find inside the program, and then they give me their name, their email address, and their phone number rather. So when they give me their phone number, when they click on this link, it's going to take them to a second page. The second page, let me just put it for you so you can go see it. The second page is going to be where they're going to get the promise I promised them, which was going to give them access to watch a training, a free training that was going to explain everything that they need to know about the information marketing program, which is actually called DIPS. Basically, if you actually want to get access to this video, like I said, you can actually go, and if you actually want to buy the course, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video also. So this is actually the blocks that you need to understand. First of all, I actually advise that people actually use VSL, because VSL are actually very easy for people to go through or navigate, because nobody actually has time to be reading all the long notes you want to put on your landing pages. Nobody has time to go through all of those notes. But if you are using a VSL, you can actually do all your notes you want to write. You can put them in 2 minutes, you can put them in 1 minute 15 seconds, and people are going to watch that video, because video is like the next big thing on the internet. Nobody wants to spend time, nobody likes reading, or we actually have short attention span. So what you want to do is that you want to make sure that people that is coming to your landing page stays on your landing page. You have a landing page view, and most importantly, you have conversion, which is that they gave you their email address, which is actually what you want as leads. So when they click on this button, you get them as your lead. So this is one thing you want to consider in your landing page. The first thing I said is that you need to make sure that you filter people out. You make sure that you have a warning. The next thing you want is that you have a very, very catchy headline. You have a very, very catchy headline. After your headline, you need to actually use the VSL. If you don't have the VSL, you now have to like put notes, which I don't actually advise you do. You can actually use a VSL, which just actually helps you to explain every single thing you want to say in like minutes. Then the next thing is actually to now, like, maybe if you can put this if you want to, like what you're going to learn in the webinar or something. Maybe anything you are promoting is an affiliate marketing product. You actually want to do that, and most importantly, you want to put this particular disclaimer, making sure that so Facebook actually approve your ad, and making sure you tell people that this is not a Facebook owned platform. This is actually a website, not trademark to play Facebook itself. Facebook actually love people, and they actually recommend that you do this for them, so they can be able to approve your ads and all of that. Like I said, if you are actually looking for where like platform actually used in building this funnel, it's actually called System.io. If you don't know how to build a funnel, I actually made a video before now on my channel. There's a video, I'm going to put a link. I'm going to see the video around this area on this as you're watching this video right now. The video is going to pop up like a card. You're going to see the card there. You can see how to create a funnel with System.io. It's very easy. So basically, I believe that right now you actually understand these blocks and the steps you need to take in building a landing page. One, your filtering. The next thing, your headline. The third thing is your VSL. Then your form. You want your form to be there under your VSL. You can put this if you want to what we are going to learn in the webinar or anything. If you don't, you can just leave this, or you can add testimonials here. This is actually what you need to know or do when creating a landing page. That's very effective. That's going to help you to scale, and also going to help you to make money on the online space effectively. I believe that you actually like this video. You actually learned something. If you actually learned something, just go in the comment section and tell me you learned something. If you actually want me to run Facebook ads for you, build sales funnels for you, just shoot me an email at info@brightostar.com. So also, I'm going to see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. I'm going to see you in my next video.